Do you know that it's possible to earn $7,000 per month posting Lofi music using AI? Making $7,000 per month online sound like a scam or a pipe dream? I thought so too, until I discovered this method. Today, I'm breaking down how you can use AI-generated Lofi beats so you can quit your 9-to-5, allow you to work from anywhere and start making real money. Even if you have zero experience, and yes, it can be simple as copy and paste, but having a personal touch will make a huge difference. For example, this channel Lofi Girls is earning around $1,000 a day. That's about $30,000 a month. Using this method is amazing, right? You can see it right here on the screen. Now, I just wanted to warn you, this method is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Yes, it's possible to make significant money using this approach, but it requires effort, consistency, and learning to see real results. Your success solely depends on the time and dedication you put into this. So, if you are ready to work smart and stay committed, this could be a great way to build an income stream. Step number 1. Understanding YouTube monetization rules. Before we start creating, it's crucial to understand how you can actually get monetized on YouTube. Well, in order to get monetized, there are some qualifications that you need to pass to get started. Number 1. Your channel should have at least 1,000 subscribers. First and foremost, you need to prove to YouTube that you have an audience to show ads to. Second, you need 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months. Now that you have an audience, you need to prove YouTube that people care about your content enough to watch it. This will be simple, however, as long as you engage viewers with engaging and meaningful content, that will keep them watching. Third, AdSense account linked to your channel to AdSense to start earning. Now that you have proven to YouTube that you have an audience and that people care enough to watch it, you have to sign up for AdSense and link it to your YouTube channel. Number 4, original content. This step is the most important. YouTube has its rules and regulations that you need to follow. Violating copyright can give you a copyright warning, and if you get enough of them, it can lead to the permanent deletion of your channel. So avoid copyright violation by creating unique videos for them to watch. Now, before we move on, if you are thinking about just reposting someone else's content will be enough to get through the last qualification. YouTube algorithm is smart enough to know if you repost someone else's content. But now that you know what you need to get monetized, let's talk about how to make that happen. Step number 2, creating background images. Going back to Lofi channels, the visuals and the video are just as important as the music. Those images tend to be cozy and aesthetic images that set the mood and help draw viewers in. And here's how you can make those visuals on your own. Option number 1, using AI. One of the easiest ways to create original images is by using AI, and here's how. By using services like ChatGPT and GenCraft, you can just simply describe what you want for a visual. For this, I'll make mine a cozy, sturdy room at night, stars in the sky, galaxy vibe, ultra detailed, photorealistic, 16:9. This prompt is good because it gives the AI what you want to create, telling it how you want it made and what resolution or display you want it to be in. If possible, you can also tell it to make multiple ones and choose which one your favorite. And now that you have your favorite image, you can just simply download and save the image on your computer. Option number 2, using free stock images. Not everyone wants to use AI. If you are one of those people, don't worry, I have a solution for you. Stock images websites like Pixels or Pixabay offer high quality, copyright-free images that you can simply download and use. And here's how. Go to your website of choice. I'll use pixel.com. Search for images keywords like cozy, sturdy room or landscape. Lastly, if possible, you can also apply filters for your preferred filters to find the best images. Both options have the advantages and disadvantages, but both options are good options to start. All you have to do is choose. Step number 3, adding Lofi beats. Now that you have your visual, it's time to pair them with the heart of your channel, Lofi music. There are free and paid options available, so let's explore both. free music option. Websites like Free Music, 𝐂𝐨𝐻𝐲, or YouTube Audio Library offer free tracks for you to use. But make sure you don't forget to credit the respective creator in your video description. Since you are at the beginning right now, you can start with free track first to build your audience, and once your channel earns enough revenue from other income stream like affiliate marketing, you can now start investing it in paid music licenses for full monetization. Pay music option. If you are ready to invest, whether you started with the free music option or you have enough money to pay for a license, I would like to give you two excellent platforms that you can choose from. Number one, Mubird. Mubird make AI Lofi track that you can easily download. They give you multiple plans you can use. The free plans are only for personal project. You can only generate 30 minutes of track every day. Download 25 tracks per month, and you need to credit Mubird for it. The creator plan costs $14 a month, and those are for personal project only. You can generate up to 2 hours of tracks per day. You can download up to 500 tracks per month, and you can use it on promoted and monetized posts. And lastly, the Pro plan, which is for commercial use, no daily commit. And lastly, the Pro plan, which is for commercial use, no daily limits, and download up to 500 tracks monthly for the cost of only $30 per month. Number two, 𝐂𝐤𝐤. 𝐂𝐤𝐤, like Mubird, give multiple plans for different users. 𝐂𝐤𝐤 free plans offers 3 download monthly for 3 minutes music duration, but you can't monetize those projects, and the copyright is owned by 𝐂𝐤𝐤, so you need to give credit for 𝐂𝐤𝐤. Next is the standard plan for €11 or $11.55. It offers you 15 downloads monthly for 5 minutes music duration, but the monetization for that track is only limited, and the copyright is still owned by 𝐂𝐤𝐤. Lastly, the Pro plan lets you own the copyright, allows you full monetization, 300 monthly downloads for 5 minutes 30-second music duration, exported in high quality, and the best part is that you don't have to credit 𝐂𝐤𝐤. Choosing pay option often gives you the freedom to monetize without crediting anyone, making them a great choice for serious creators. Step number 4, setting up affiliate links. Right off the bat, you won't be earning from ads because your channel is not monetized yet, but you can still make money by using affiliate marketing, and here's how. Number 1, choose an affiliate platform. Platforms like ClickBank, Digital24, Wires Plus are a good choice for affiliate platform. They offer a wide range of products for you to promote. Number 2, promoting high converting offers. Choose products that are related to your niche, like productivity tools, headphone, Lofi playlists, etc. Add those affiliate links to your video description. If the viewer is a fan of your content, they may be inclined to buy the product you yourself are promoting. Affiliate links are powerful ways to earn commission from day one. The fun part is you don't even have to necessarily be monetized in YouTube to begin. Step number 5, editing your video. Of course, in order to make money off that video, first you need to create and edit that video, and I'll show you how to do it. Number 1, combine visual and audio. Using free video editing tools like CapCut or DaVinci Resolve, sync your background images with the Lofi track. Be creative, you can add effects and other stuff you want in the video. But also add subtle animation in the video like a flickering lamp or falling snow. Doing so, it will make your video entertaining and engaging. Number 2, make your video long enough. After you do the initial edit, stretch your visual and duplicate the music track to create a video. By doing so, you can artificially inflate your video. And if you have other track from the previous steps, you can also add it in the video too. Try to make one that at least 1 hour long. Number 3, optimize your video. Now that you finished your video, remember that you need to make a good first impression to the viewers. Make a compelling title and thumbnail for your video, and don't forget to use keywords like Lofi or genre of your Lofi like hip hop or radio in your description and tag to help you get discovered more easily. Number 4, export in high definition. Of course, You need to make sure the audience still sees the work that you did, so you don't forget to save your video as high definition as possible, preferable at 4K for a professional look. Number 5, upload and share. Making the video is important, but not as important as this. Of course, you need to upload your video and share that video on social media, and don't forget to engage with the viewers, especially when you just uploaded the video. This allows the viewers to see and feel that you care about them and that you want to build a community with them. Step number 6, monetization and scaling. Once your channel is monetized, you can start earning money using ads, but the income stream don't stop there. There are a lot of income streams that are available to you. Those are: number 1, affiliate marketing. Include affiliate links to your headphone, study tools, or other product in your video description. Number 2, merchandise. Launching a merch line featuring your channel aesthetic. This will also give you the benefit of the feeling of community with your viewers. Number 3, digital product. You can also sell playlists, productivity guides, or even custom Lofi tracks. Number 4, sponsorships. Partner with brands to feature the product on your channel. The more related with Lofi, the better. Number 5, community engagement. You can utilize platforms like Discord, Patreon, and Ko-fi, and offers exclusive content through those platforms. This method is simple, scalable, and proven. As long as you are consistent and have a willingness to learn, remember, you don't really need fancy equipment or years of experience, just the determination to start. Imagine waking up to find your channel has earned money while you slept. That's the power of passive income. So why wait? Start building your Lofi YouTube channel today and take the first step toward financial freedom. Lofi is one of the most profitable niches in YouTube, but if you like to learn 8 of the best faceless YouTube channel ideas, watch this. But hey, if you really enjoyed this content, don't forget to give this video a like and share it as well. And I will really appreciate if you subscribe so that way you can stay notified whenever we post a new video as well. Alright, and don't forget to share this video to other people as well, and so that way that video can get more than 1,000 likes as well. And thank you so much again if you stay until the end. And don't forget to subscribe so that way you can be a part of Make Money Right community. Alright, I will see you in the next video, and peace, bye.